What's up, guys? Mex Guru here. So I was freaking out, okay? This YZ250. As you know, we put a crank in it, went through the whole bottom end, put a top end in it, full rebuild kit. Everything was pretty smashed up in there. It's been a big project we've had going on for the last few weeks, but got it all back together. Started second kick cold, first kick hot, idled perfectly, revved good. So we heat cycled it 4 or 5 times. And everything was good. Let it sit for a day, came back the next day to do it again, actually rode it around this time, got on it a few times, started spitting, sputtering, shutting off. Was super worried, didn't know what was going on, and then it kind of hit me that I did have an idea of what was going on, and I'll show you. Basically, the keyway that goes on the crank right here was sheared. And so when it was spitting and sputtering, it's because the spark, it would spark intermittently and at the wrong time. But the reason that sheared is because whoever had this bike previously, before the new owner, had the wrong flywheel nut on it. They had this, and it's kind of a, you can see they had Loctite gobbed on it. This is like a weird one-off flywheel nut that's supposed to go with a weight, and the weight's not on there anymore. You can just tell they had a time getting it to stay on. So I tried to make this work. I thought it would maybe work, but it won't. I had to order the right nut. But luckily, that's what a keyway's for. It shears it before it can cause any other damage. That's the top of the keyway. That's what's left of it. You know, it sits in that little groove, and just snapped it off. But yeah, so have to order another one of those from Yamaha. It's like $3, and the correct nut, that'll be a few dollars. Have that in middle next week. But yeah, it kind of just scared me for a second, but in the grand scheme of things, that's a good deal. We'll take that over any kind of engine or motor problems. But starts up easy and revs good, so I think we're all good with this thing. And man, it feels good when a build like this comes together. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, hit the notification bell. Well, luckily, guys, that seemed to fix the YZ, so we're all good there. Man, I took it up and down the road a few times, and I took it on the pit bike trails. It's been raining on and off all day. Let me just say the pit bike trails were a little muddier than I would have expected. Freaking hit it like a log. Foot came off. Then got the best of me a little bit, but it's all good. Just happy to have it wrapped up and spray the mud off of it and get it out of here.